Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jihan. Today we will be making mixed veggie shola. For this recipe, you will need 1.5 cup rice, 1.5 cup whole grain mung lentil beans, 1.5 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoons dal, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 large onion, 1 carrot, 2 potatoes, and 1 big piece of broccoli. And also, you'll need 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 3 tablespoons frozen coriander. Step 1. Fry the onion until it is golden and add the ginger and garlic paste. Then add the green lentil beans, which will soak for 2 hours. Step 2. Cook it for 20 minutes so the green lentil beans get softer. Step 3. Then add the veggies and cook it for 5 minutes. Step 4. Add the frozen coriander and the rice, which will soak for 1.5 hours. Then cook the rice for 40 minutes on low flame. Cover it up, then cook the rice for 40 minutes on low flame. Step 5. This is how it should look like. Shola is ready. You can add anything such as chutney. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. See you all next time. Bye.